This guy, man. You have wheels like that, and you now you gotta avoid those type. Like, why even get wheels like that? Is it like, come on, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, dude. This dude is like, you're gonna either cause an accident or what? Like, why get wheels like that? I really don't understand. I'm still behind. You know, I'd rather just. Jesus, man. The inconsistency of drivers. Okay, Presto.
Letty said, "Is Robbie home?" I said, "Yes." She said, "I want to go home."
That's so funny.
Cute.
Adorable. Supposed to make a laugh.
To the door right now.
Ooh, ate that light. Damn. Shit. You know, look at this guy. Went ahead. At least he stopped 102 BK9. You're not supposed to slay.
In 500 feet, your exit will be on the left.
What the fuck? This guy just made their own lane, really? GER 9187. If you want to get close when he merges. Who they going after? And they're going after somebody. It's crazy. Like, we wanna do landscaping. You know? Alright, so man, this guy's going over the median and everything. Look at this guy. What makes him so special? You know, I'm special. PA plates, pickup truck, just cutting everybody off. You can't make this up. Look, another skipper. To get how far? You know, all that to get what? To get how far? KYA3998. And people get into accidents. Look. Yo, that's crazy.
What? What?
Stool stays right in the middle. NPC. Look at this one. Run the light. Taxi too. Another one. MMA 93. Yo, people don't give a shit. jamming to the song.